Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome keeps logging out issues step by step in 2026. If Chrome keeps signing you out from websites, Gmail, or your Google account, it's usually related to corrupted cookies, incorrect settings, or conflicting extensions. Let's fix it. First, check Chrome's cookies settings. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Cookies, and other site data. Make sure Clear Cookies and Site Data when you close all windows is turned off. If this is enabled, Chrome will log you out every time you close the browser. Next, clear old or corrupted cookies. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and Clear Cookies and other site data. Don't worry, passwords saved in your Google account will remain if sync is on. Now check extensions that may interfere with login sessions. Go to More Tools greater than Extensions and temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or security tools. Test logging into a website after disabling each extension. This helps identify the culprit. Make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install any updates. Outdated versions may have bugs causing login issues. Next, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This disables all extensions and restores settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Check your Google account security settings, visit myaccount.google.com greater than security, and make sure there are no unusual devices signed out or account alerts. Sometimes Google signs you out if it detects unusual activity. Finally, if the issue persists, create a new Chrome profile. Click the profile icon, select Add, and sign in with your Google account. A fresh profile often resolves persistent logouts, and that's how you fix Google Chrome keeps logging out step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.